Hello, I'm Earth's moon. This is how big I am in your sky. Pretty cool, right? But how big would each planet look if they were in my location instead? Let's find out. First up, planet Venus.
Hello, I'm the hottest planet in the solar system. I'm nearly 4 times the diameter of your moon. This is what it would look like if I was where the moon is. What's the word? Ah yes, fabulous.
Move along, Venus.
Fine.
Whoa! Look at this place. I'm planet Neptune. Look at the size of me in the sky. I would be 14 times the diameter of your moon. Would you like looking up and seeing me in your sky?
No.
Not you.
Let's try a different view from Earth. Who is next?
Me, Mercury.
Am I looking in a mirror?
No, I am much bigger than you.
Are you? Are you really though?
I am nearly 1.5 times the diameter of the moon. So, I would look much bigger. Right? Oops, shouldn't get too close. Make way, make way. Or the crowd have come to see me, planet Uranus. Let me tell you a long story about how great I am. Well,
A long time later.
so you see... oh, it's night time. I have been talking for a while. But anyway, I am well over 14 times the diameter of your moon. Humph! I've had enough of this place. Somewhere colder, please. Enjoy. What? Oh, thanks. Oh, hello little guys. Where are you off to? I'm Mars, and I am nearly twice the size of your moon. Imagine seeing little old red me in the sky. I would look fantastic. Let's go somewhere else. Hey, Saturn.
I can't see anything. Too much cloud, dude. Neptune, can you use your strong winds, please? Thank you.
No problem.
I am Saturn, and I am nearly 35 times your moon's diameter. Imagine me in your sky. What a glorious sight it would be to look up and admire my beautiful rings. They are wondrous. They are incredible.
Saturn?
Yes, Moon Dude.
I actually don't have rings.
Oh, man.
Let's get a different view. Right, here I am above a city. What if you could look up and instead of me, see, well, Earth?
Whoa! I can see me. Hello. Aren't you a lovely looking planet? Aren't you? I'm about 4 times my moon's diameter. Imagine looking up and seeing me. It would be like looking into a mirror. I'm not sure how that would work though. What's that rumbling sound? Gotta go?
Hey guys! Oh, sorry.
I'm Jupiter, and I am about 41 times the diameter of your moon. Imagine looking up and seeing me, my beautiful colours, or even my great red spot. You would never be bored.
Pardon?
Nothing. Let's get everyone in. Move over, dude. No, you.
Watch it.
Stop that.
Venus!
Hey!
Maybe it's better if it's just little old me. Right?